Hi everyone. Let's see what is the current energy around us today. Let's check. Okay, the energy is little slow. Majority of the people right now are feeling stuck in some situation. Now the situation is going on, say from last around 25 days. The reason you are stuck in this situation is because you did not pay attention to it when the situation was arising. You took it very lightly. Probably you thought that this situation cannot be so intense for you to handle in future. That is one reason right now most of the people are feeling stuck. They are not able to find the way out of this situation. What you need to do right now is that, according to the current energy, you need to slow down a little. Okay, once you slow down, you will be able to understand exactly where you've gone wrong in handling this situation. So you need to evaluate the positive and the negatives of why you're not finding the solution for this problem that you have. And I do see that you are an empath. Whoever is in this situation is an empath, and they have been in this situation because they have been empathetic towards others. Okay, so when you have done something good to somebody, something good will happen to you as well. There will be a support, there will be a help coming your way very soon, which will guide you to come out of this situation. Let's see more. All right. So I see that there will be a sudden financial gain for a lot of people. Uh, they are not expecting it. I mean, many of us are not expecting any financial benefits for now, at least in today's energy. We are unaware of this completely. What is going to happen is that some of your friends, some of the people that you have been with since a long time, will come forward to help you in the situation, and this will be related to your materialistic goals, your finances, and your work and your business. This is related to your career. Okay, and if you are feeling that you don't have anyone like that, then you need to talk to some people, because there are people who are willing to support you in certain things. And communication will give you that sudden benefits when it comes to your finances. So if you are isolating yourself, don't do that. Go out, meet people, talk to people about the issues that you're facing. Stop judging yourself. That is also one thing that has come out. So you need to be yourself without judging your situation or yourself. That is the current energy, because I do see a lot of people are judging themselves right now.